limitless at the top, endless in delivery. This is the new DJI FC100. Greater load capacity, stronger performance. DJI FC100 reshapes the power core. 62-inch carbon fiber propeller, equipped with high-torque motor and high-power ESC, unleashes a single-axis lift of 82 kilograms. The DJI FC100 winch system is fully upgraded. Brand new dual-motor collaborative design, equipped with wireless charge electric hook. Retractable cable length of 30 meters. Under heavy load conditions, can still maintain 1.2 meters per second fast up and down of cargo. Electric hook supports electric opening and closing. Efficient and quick actions in delivery. DJI FC100 flagship winch system supplied with triaxial force sensor. Microsecond level attitude correction, automatic minimize cargo swing, and support real-time weighing to prevent overloading. During delivery, emergencies such as unexpected entanglement occurs, can abandon the cable to escape, and ensure delivery with safety. DJI FC100 can also be paired with the DJI dual battery lifting system. Streamline operations, reduce costs. Safety is the top priority in deliver operations. FC100 equipped with a new LiDAR, Pentavision system, front and rear millimeter wave radar, detecting small obstacles accurately. Omnidirectional awareness, constant protection. Innovative obstacle avoidance algorithm allows cargo to precisely avoid obstacles, supports pedestrian and vehicle protection, and adds AR display features, assisting in safe flight. In case of crosswind conditions, DJI FC100 can automatically adjust its attitude, enhancing flight stability. In extreme situations, the integrated parachute can open automatically, ensuring personal and property safety. During nighttime delivery, additional sets of supplemental light, making operations safer. Energy efficiency also improved. The new intelligent flight battery offers greater capacity with a triple air channel cooling design, supports hot swapping, ensuring uninterrupted efficiency. Multiple equipments can be flexibly combined, address all scenario requirements. The brand new O4 video transmission system offers smooth and stable image. Optional O4 relay module or DJI cellular dongle kit is available. Even when encountering signal obstruction, video transmission can remain online at all times. DJI FC100 supports dual controller mode, allowing pilots to switch seamlessly, operate flexibly, and collaborate efficiently. The new DJI Delivery app, simple and easy to use, improved deliver operation adaptability, can display terrain laser point cloud map in real time, assist in landing and cargo release. Supports A to B route operation mode, fast positioning of unloading points, reach with one click. DJI Delivery Hub comprehensive upgrade. Support custom flight zones and ensure delivery safety. Can also auto-generate flight routes, quick actions for easier operation. Support third-party video access. Build an integrated solution. Comprehensively enhance team collaboration efficiency and security. DJI FC100 supports PSDK and high-power interface, allowing connection to external payloads, expanding more application scenes. It can also connect to third-party platforms through DJI Delivery Hub, meeting diverse needs. Safe, efficient, intelligent. This is the all-new DJI FC100. Achieve more deliveries.